one student. I am Sir, math teacher. So today I am going to discussing about the previous class.
Operations of
Integers.
operations of
Integers.
so first one
Addition of integers.
addition of
Integers.
some examples
5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So both are positive integers. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. And second one 5 plus minus 2. 5 plus minus 2. 5 is a positive integer and minus 2 is a negative integer. So one positive integer and one negative integer. So both are adding. Both are adding. So for 5 plus into minus 2. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So 5 plus minus 2 equal to 3. Next one, third example. 2 plus minus 8. 2 plus
minus
8. 2 plus minus 8. So one positive and remaining negative. So 2 plus of minus, plus into minus, minus 8. Minus 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. So here negative integer is here bigger than and positive integer is here smaller than. So minus 6. Minus 6. Another example. Minus 8 plus minus 2. Minus 8 plus minus 2. So minus 8 plus minus 2. Both are negative. Here minus 8 also negative and minus 2 also negative. So minus 8 plus minus 2. So minus 8 plus into minus 2. So both are negative. And the adding also, and the answer is also negative. 8 plus 2, 8, minus 8 and minus 2 equal to minus 10. And the answer also negative, minus 10.
next one represent the following additions on the number line. Represent the following addition on the number line.
Some example, 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal 8. So in the number line. First draw the number line. Here 0, 1. 0 right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 0 left side negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4.
So first one 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal 8. So on the
Number line 5 plus 3. First 0 to 5. The curve say 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So 5 plus 3. 3 add. 5 plus 3. Plus 3 add to 5. So 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 0 to 5 and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Another example. 6 plus minus 3. 6 plus minus 3. So on the number line. First, now the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 0 left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So 6 plus or minus plus into minus 3. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So first 0 to 6. 0 to 6. 0 to 6. 6 minus 3. Minus means move the left side. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Move the left side. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3.
Stop.
Okay, next one. Subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. One example. 5 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2. 5 is a positive integer and minus 2 is a negative integer. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 3 is a positive integer. Another example. Minus 5 minus of plus 2. Minus 5 minus plus 2. So plus 2 is subtracted from minus 5. So minus 5 minus into plus minus 2. Here minus 5 is a negative integer, plus 2 is a positive integer. So minus 5 plus 2 is subtracted from minus 5. So minus 5 as it is, and minus into plus minus 2. So both are minus. So minus 5 and minus 2 minus 7. Then we will get the answer also minus negative integer. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. Another example. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. So minus 6 is a negative integer and minus 2 also negative integer. So minus 2 is subtracted from minus 6. So minus 6 minus into minus plus 2. So minus 6 is a negative integer, plus 2 is a positive integer. Here one negative and one positive. So which symbol is raised? Minus symbol. So minus symbol. So 6 minus 2, 4. So minus symbol is here raised. So minus 4. Minus 6 plus 2. So minus 4. Another example. 2 minus of minus 10. 2 minus of minus 10. So 2 is a positive integer and minus 10 is a negative integer. So minus 10 is subtracted from plus 2. So 2 minus of minus. The minus into minus plus 10. So 2 plus 10 equal to 12. 12 is a positive integer. Okay, next one. Represent the following subtraction on the number line. Represent the following subtraction on the number line. So 5 minus 4. So minus 4 is subtracted from 5. So 5 is a positive integer and minus 4 is a negative integer. So subtract on the number line. On the number line. First draw the number line. 0. 0 right side positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. And 0 left side negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. First one. Minus of, 5 minus 4. So 5 minus of minus into minus plus 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So 9 is a positive integer. So in the 0 right side. First 0 to 5. 5 plus 4. First 0 to 5. Look at the first 0 to 5. Plus 4. Plus 4 is added to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4 is added. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Another example. minus 4 minus of minus 3. Minus 4 minus of minus 3. Represent on the number line. First draw the number line. Draw the number line. 0. 0 right side positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4. And 0 left side negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4, and minus 5. First two, minus 4, minus of minus, minus into minus 2, plus 3. Minus into minus, plus 3. So here, minus 4 is a negative integer and plus 3 is a positive integer. This symbol is H2, minus symbol is H. So, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 and 4 plus minus 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Here, minus symbol is H. So, minus 1. Minus 1. First, look at the minus 4. So, 0 to minus 4. 0 left side, minus 4, 0 left side. Look at the 0 left side. 0 left side. 4 minus 4 plus 3. Plus 3 is added to the minus 4. So then we get the answer equal to minus 1. So 1, 2 and 3. So minus 1. The next one, multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Some examples. 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15. So both are positive. So one positive integer into one positive integer. 5 3 is 15. 15 also positive integers. Another example. 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3. So here, one positive integer, one negative integer. One positive integer is one negative integer. Both are multiplied is always negative. Is always negative. 5 3 is 15 minus 15. One positive integer and one negative integer too. Both are multiplied. Then we get the answer also in negative. Negative. Another example. Minus 4 into minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 5. So, both are negative integers. So, both are negative integers is multiplied. So, always positive. So, minus into minus is always positive. Plus 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Next one, another example. Minus 2 into plus 6. Minus 2 into plus 6. Here, minus 2 is a negative integer, plus 6 is a positive integer. One negative into one positive is always negative. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Next one, represent the following multiplication on the number line. Represent the following multiplication on the number line. First one, 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. So represent on the number line. First draw the number line. First draw the number line. Draw the number line. 0. 0 right side positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And 0 left side negative integers minus 1, minus 2 and minus 4. So minus 3 and minus 4. So first one 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. So both are positive. So here we represent the 0 right side. 0 right side. 4 3 is 4 3 is means 3 times of 4 times of added the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. So first 0 to 3. 3 to 6. 6 to 9. 9 to 12. 9 to 12. 4 times add the 3. So 3 0 to 3. 0 to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 0 to 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. Next one, another example. 4 into minus 3. So positive 4 is a positive integer and the minus 3 is a negative integer. So plus into minus, minus 4 3 is a 12, minus 12. Here, so on the number line, so minus 12 is a negative integer. So on the 0 left side, 0 1 2 3 4, and minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9 and minus 10 and minus 11 and minus 12. Minus 12. So 4 3 is 12. So 4 times added to the minus 3. And minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. Minus 9 minus 3 minus 12. So 0 left side. Look at the 0 left side. So minus 0 to minus 3. First one 0 to minus 3. Minus 3 to minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 9. Minus 6 to minus 9. Minus 3 and minus 9 to minus 12. Minus 3. So 0 to 3 minus 3 and minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. Minus 9 minus 3 minus 12. The next one, division of integers. Division of integers. For example, 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 means 12 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 3s are equal to 3. So both are positive integers. Then we get the answer also positive. And next one, minus 12 divided by 4. So minus 12 is a negative integer and plus 4 is a positive integer. So one negative integer and divided by one positive integer is always negative. Is always negative. Here 4 1s are 4 3s are. So minus 3. Minus 3 is a negative integer. Next one, another example. Minus 12 and minus 4. Minus 12 by minus 4. So both are negative integers. So minus minus cancel. Then we get the answer also positive. So 4 1s are 4 3s are. 3 is a positive integer. Next one, another example, fourth example. 12 by minus 4. 12 by minus 4. So plus 12 is a positive integer and minus 4 is a negative integer. One positive integer divided by one negative integer is always negative. Is always negative. So 4 1s are 4 3s are. So minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, thank you children. The next class will be continued part 3.